We have caught up with Mr. Neil Fico, and he is with the Strand Spine Institute. How are you, darling?
I'm doing great. I'm doing great. How are you?
Now, how long have you been a chamber member?
Probably 10 years.
Wow. All right, so name the best thing about being a chamber member.
Probably the best thing is just getting to know all the other business owners in our community and getting to know the people that kind of make this area work.
Oh, wonderful. So you all stay tuned and keep watching, and I think I'm going to have to see you to get my spine straight, man.
You need to.
All right, I'll be coming in.
Yeah, all right.
You all stay tuned. Keep watching. All right, everybody. I have caught up with Debbie and Frankie with Coastal Endodontist. Now, Debbie, tell me what an endodontist is.
Dr. Eddie is a root canal specialist.
Oh, okay. So now he really has to be good at his job.
He's very good at his job, and he's a wonderful person, too.
Wonderful. Now, Frankie, this is your first time at this event. Now, how are you enjoying it here at High Hammock?
Great time. I'm having a great time. And I've seen so many people that I know, and I've met so many new people. Just been a lot of fun.
Wonderful. Now, Debbie, what are some of the advantages of being a chamber member?
Well, the networking, of course. This is just a great idea. I've been to one before, and it's a wonderful way to meet people, to introduce yourselves, what you do, where you work. And you can get so many ideas from the chamber about how to promote your business, and they're very helpful in helping you do that.
That is wonderful, y'all, and if you need a root canal, you know where to go. You all stay tuned and keep watching. I have caught up with Lanny from Dr. Golf. Now, first of all, tell me, with a name like Dr. Golf, what do you do?
I'm the doctor of golf clubs. I have golf clubs all over where I do custom golf clubs.
Wow. So basketball players and guys that are really tall and all that?
I can build them to fit anybody.
That is amazing, right here in the Low Country. Now, tell us how long you've been a chamber member.
Around 6 years.
Okay, and now what's the best thing about being a chamber member?
Well, it's just like tonight with this mixer. You get to intertwine and meet a lot of other businesses, and we interact with each other. I try to help them with their customers, and they send me customers. It's a great program and a great group of people.
That is absolutely wonderful. Now I want you to do me a favor.
Okay.
The next time you make a pair of golf clubs for those ball players, how about give me a call, okay?
I got some good ones. You'd like them.
Call me now.
I'll do it.
You all stay tuned and keep watching.